This video has been optimized for mobile viewing. A local dealership reached out to us with significant damage on this brand new car. Now, they wanted it perfect, with no indication of ever having been damaged. They obviously didn't want to repaint, as this would significantly reduce the value of the car. And drilling access holes to get behind the dent was strictly prohibited as well. So first, a thorough assessment of the damage was in order. The most crucial part of any dent repair is the assessment phase. This is how we determine if a dent can be adequately removed in the first place, while it also requires us to chart out a strategy to remove the damage, a roadmap if you will. We start by first measuring the length of the damage in inches, followed by an approximate depth measurement. We also factor in advanced repair methods as needed. In this case, we'll be using the glue pull method, as you'll see in this video. We also have a factory body line to resculpt. Now look closely at these outward creases. What we're seeing is the outline of the intrusion beam, indicating that most of this dent will be very tough to access, which gave us reason to initially suggest removal of the door's components. And lastly, we factor a thorough polishing of the original factory luster. Now, remember how we initially suggested removal of the door's components? Well, it turns out we didn't have to. We saved our client $250, and we were able to completely remove the damage using the glue pull method and some careful and very creative access, as you will soon witness, leaving us with a grand total of $1,056.25. Sound like a lot? Remember, this client is determined to retain the factory original condition of the car, obviously ruling out conventional body and paint work. They also didn't want to take the chance of putting this job into the wrong hands, like a lower-end, lesser qualified dent popper guy. With hundreds of dent removal companies all over the internet, eager to get your business for a low price and a 5-star review. Cutting corners, drilling unnecessary holes, mediocrity seems to be the required standard. Who can you trust for a high-standard paintless dent repair?